That's the fork I've got for you. Short episode, I'm gonna try to simplify things. This is the SR Santur XCRLOR air, which means this is the key word for this episode. We've got air chamber or air spring here on the left side. That means no coil. Very important factor. Two types of people. One type of you, my viewers, should think really about buying this one and you will be super happy with it. And the other group of my viewers should avoid buying such a fork. So who would be happy? If you have a budget mountain bike or you have mountain bike up to, let's say, even some $1,000 bikes still come with the coil, very cheap fork, and you are not able to adjust the stiffness of the fork according to your weight and the riding style. Maybe you started riding a bit more aggressively, you're becoming more advanced in MTB riding. This will be the thing for you. You're not thinking about regular training or racing. You just want to have fun on your bike and you really feel that your coil fork isn't the thing. If you saw my, I think, 2 videos on the GT Palomar, which is equipped with super budget, not very good, low quality All-Terra fork, I'm unable to use it on the terrain because it is too soft for my weight. I'm 74 kilograms right now. It's just too soft. It would be for some teenager of, I don't know, 50 kilograms, not more. And you cannot really set the stiffness because it's spring. There is no many springs or no springs available for different models like this one. So don't even bother. Buy a cheap. This one will cost you about $150, $60. You will be super happy with having the air chamber. Here is the valve. You will be able to pump it up and set the sack and just be happy with it. So guys, for budget bikes, for just regular overall mountain biking, this fork works very well. The other group of you guys is those who wanna have a bit more performance. You would sometimes go for some events, mountain bike events, maybe cross-country races, maybe some MTB marathons, then avoid this one. First thing, it is very heavy and I'm always telling you, don't count all the grams and think how much money you spend for saving each gram. But here we are talking about kilograms. This fork, 29er with a through axle, will weigh well over 2 kilograms, which you will feel that on your bike. So if you want to upgrade your bike, I would rather add some, that would be about $80 or so, and you're gonna get money to Markor, the air fork, which is very stiff and very light for the price. I'm not sure about the Epixon maybe, but I haven't tested that one for some seasons, so I can't tell you. But the money to Markor, for sure, I can guarantee it will be a good fork. So if you are more performance oriented and you're not on super budget, $80 about plus this one, and you're gonna have money to Markor, which will be very good for even advanced cross-country racing. That's what I think. So this one, we've got the lockout lever here on the right side. You're not gonna be using it in the cross-country style, meaning lock it out on the uphill and then open it on the downhill, because you can actually get hurt yourself trying to find that little lever on the bumps on the cross-country track. So how are you gonna use it? I would say if you're gonna go for a long tarmac trip, you're gonna put it into lock position. It will be stiff, locked, fine. If you go for just overall mountain biking, open it and that's it. Because you don't have the remote lever on the handlebars. And then the air chamber, as I said, you've got the valve, you just pump it, and that's cool. It's quite stiff, it's okay because it's very heavy, so it's lots of material. This one has the Q-lock of Santur, so it's just okay, but not for performance. It is very bad for performance, and I would say very good for all the beginners and those who just sometimes ride the bike, and those coil forks are simply not enough for them. That's it. Let me know what are your thoughts, and see you in the next episode. Hey.